Hey guys, it's Life of Q&A here, back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos are on the way. Period. Okay? Today's mukbang is spaghetti and meat sauce. So it's nice and hot. My hand is burning right now. It's so good. And then I got my trusty dusty zero sugar ginger ale. It's Schweppes, not sponsored by them, but this is really good. Watch. So good. Excuse me. Go. You see, want the first bite. Remember, guys, I'm going live tomorrow I'm going to push it to 8:30 because I have to get my hair done. It might be looking crazy, but I might wear a hat, okay? Or a hoodie. My hair's not, it's going to be half done, not all the way done. So, we'll work it out. This is good. This is zero sugar, guys. It's so good. Like any soda I get, I always get zero sugar because it's like has zero sugar in it. It doesn't have that much of a taste. It's really just the bubbles I'm drinking. How was your day, guys? It was nice today because it was raining at first, but then it stopped and then the sun came out. So tomorrow should be nice too. I'm getting ready for the weather to change, you know? I got my pasta. Actually, it's Stouffer's, a frozen meal. Well, I didn't have time to make it. And I just added a little salt and pepper. Because you know when you buy it from the grocery store, it's not as tasty as buying it from, you know, like it's a little bland. So you have to hook it up. And put your spices in it. I just put a little salt, pepper, and some cheese. That's how I like my pasta anyway. Comment below what kind of pasta you like. You got chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo with a broccoli in it. Is there another frozen meal you want me to try? It has to be with no seafood. I must have been hungry. Look, a bowl. It's empty. I want you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and watch my shorts. This is Life of Q&A, and I'm out.